Our topic for today is all about how to fix mouse cursor disappearing when playing games in full screen mode. Let's start by going to the search bar and search for mouse settings and open it. Find the additional mouse settings and click on it. Go to Pointer Options tab and make sure to uncheck the display pointer trails and click Apply and press OK. After that, go to System and find the display resolution. Make sure that the display is set in recommended and same with the scale. Set it to recommended. After that, close the window and try it now. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.